Hey everyone, it's Amber here, and today we are going to be learning a classic that so many of you have requested, With or Without You by U2. This is a perfect song for a beginner because we only have 4 chords, a repetitive strumming pattern, and honestly, the song is so much fun to play. We're also going to be including a full playthrough of the song at the end of the lesson so that you can practice along with me. But for now, grab your guitar, make sure it is in standard tuning, and let's get started. So let's start off by taking a look at that really simple chord progression. As I've mentioned, we only have 4 chords. The first chord we need is a D major chord. From here, we're going to be changing to an A major chord. And what I like to do is take my ring finger and I just scooch it back into the 2nd fret and I form my A major chord. So that's a really nice, simple chord transition. Going from our D major and we're moving into the A major. The next chord we need is a B minor, and I have options for you here. So the most difficult option is to play the bar chord version of B minor. So if you are more of an intermediate player, then I would recommend that you practice playing that B minor bar chord. This is a really great song to practice going from open chords into a bar chord. So we have that B minor bar chord option. The next step that would be more of a easier option, I suppose, would be to play an open version of a B minor chord. So instead of playing the full bar, all you're going to need to do is take that first finger and you just place it into the 2nd fret on the high E string. And we strum from the D string down. An even simpler version of this would be to just have 3 fingers. So you can just take your pinky off and put your 3rd finger in its place and you just strum those 3 strings. And I have one more option for you. This is a more of a 7th sounding B minor chord. We call it B minor 7, and it's actually a really great chord to change to from that A major chord. So if you go back and find that A major, what you're going to do is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to move it into the 3rd fret on that B string, and then you're going to add your 1st and 2nd fingers into the 2nd fret. Now your 1st finger is going to squeeze down the A string, and your 2nd finger is going to squeeze down the G string. And you can strum this from the A string down. It has a very open, beautiful sounding chord. So again, if we just practice through those 3 chords we have already, we have a D. We take our ring finger, we scooch it back for the A. From here, we can go to any variation of the B minor chord. So we can go to a bar chord, we can go to the open chord version, or we can go to the 7th version. And for this, I scooch that ring finger back into the 3rd fret, and we add the 1st and 2nd fingers. And the final chord we need is a G major. Now, if you're going to be using the B minor 7 chord, this is a great transition opportunity because we have an anchor finger with our 3rd finger in the 3rd fret on the B string. We can add our pinky and we can then play a 4-fingered G major chord. And then the chord sequence repeats itself again. So we are already in place for the D major. Going to our A, B minor chord, whichever one you'd like to use, and then to our G chord. And the really fun thing in the song is that you can switch out those B minor chords. So for example, in the verses, you can maybe choose to play the B minor 7 chord for a more open sound. And then when we get to the choruses, you might want to switch to using the B minor bar chord for a more powerful, stronger sounding version of the chord. So you can have some fun with this. And let's just go through those chords again, and we're going to hold each one for 4 counts. So I'm going to just use a variation of the different B minors, and I'm going to just use whichever one I feel like using in the moment. So here we go together. A 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4 to the A, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4 to the G, and repeat again to the D, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4, and G. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and to the G. So once you have those chords under your fingers, let's go ahead and take a look at the strumming pattern that I would recommend using in the song. So it's going to sound like this: down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So we have a slightly syncopated pattern, which we count 1 and 2 and 4 and. The only count that we are excluding here is beat number 3. So we have down, up, down, up, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And each of the chords in the chord sequence will get one round of that strumming pattern. So it will sound like this: 2, 3, 4. A, B minor, G, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, D, A, B minor, and G. See the stone set in your B minor. See the thorn twist in the D chord, and to the A for the B minor and the G. And that is how you are going to strum this beautiful song. Okay, so if you enjoy learning with me, perhaps you are looking for a more structured path. Well, I've got some good news for you. I have created a set of step-by-step guitar courses which are going to help you become a stellar guitarist. Each of my courses come with video lessons, tabs, chord diagrams, jam tracks, and so much more. I'd really love to help you on your guitar journey. All you need to do is click the link in the description to sign up today. So now that you have learned how to play the chords of this amazing song and the strumming pattern, all that is left to do is a full playthrough of the song, which is going to be coming up next. So have your guitar ready and let's go have some fun. Get ready for a full playthrough on your D major. A 1, 2, 3, 4. See the stone set in your eyes. See the thorn twist in your side. I wait for you. Sleight of hand and twist our fates. On a bed of nails she makes me wait. And I wait without you. With or without you, with or without you. Through the storm we reach the shore. We give it all, but I want more. And I'm waiting for you. With or without you. With or without you, oh, I can't live. With or without you. And you give yourself away. And you give yourself away. And you give Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you had fun learning this awesome song. If you did, please could I ask you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification. It really helps me out, you guys. Your support, honestly, it goes a long way, and it helps me create lessons just like this for you every single week. So until next time, I will see you in another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.